Architectural Brass, we design and manufacture solutions that shape how people experience space, combining durability, precision engineering, and refined architectural presence across every product we create. Our work is focused on delivering long-term performance while maintaining a consistent and elevated design language across all environments. Our mobile bar systems are built with flexibility and performance in mind. Each unit is fully customizable, from dimensions and layout to materials including stainless steel, natural wood, and stone surfaces. Integrated compartments and storage solutions support efficient workflow, while smooth rolling casters allow for effortless mobility. Designed for hospitality venues, events, and luxury service areas, these bars deliver both function and a strong visual presence, built to perform under constant use. Complementing these systems, our mobile serving carts provide efficient transport and service support. Built for durability and smooth mobility, they integrate seamlessly into fast-paced hospitality environments. Our podiums and lecterns are designed for modern public speaking environments, combining clean architectural forms with integrated technology solutions. From conference rooms to auditoriums, these units support communication with clarity, stability, and a refined professional presence that aligns with contemporary interiors. We also design mobile valet and reception stands that define the first point of interaction within a space. Each unit is tailored with integrated storage, durable materials, and finishes that align with the surrounding environment. Built for both mobility and stability, these stations support daily operations while maintaining a polished and welcoming experience for guests. Our exterior and public interface solutions include key drop boxes, crowd control stanchions, signage stanchions, and bollards. These products are engineered to support organization, security, and movement within public environments. With consistent material quality, durable finishes, and strong structural design, they integrate seamlessly into both interior and exterior spaces while maintaining long-term reliability. Our design approach allows for a wide range of styles, from classic and elegant to chic Baroque, or modern and highly creative concepts. We work closely with each client, whether following detailed design references or developing original concepts in-house. With a talented team of engineers and designers, we translate ideas into fully realized, functional products tailored to each unique space. From our signature Bellman carts to ash and trash receptacles and multi-stream recycling units, Architectural Brass continues to deliver solutions trusted across hospitality, commercial, and public spaces, built with precision, designed for performance, and proudly made in the USA.